Hi everyone, welcome to Learn German with Famo. Today we're diving into some German language mistakes that learners make all the time. Seriously guys, German is a crazy language and soon you will understand why. Most of these mistakes are funny, but some of them might even make you look cringe, so be aware of that. Now let's start with the most classic mistake that can totally change what you mean. Ich bin heiß oder mir ist heiß. Which one should we use? Ich bin heiß means you are or feeling not that you're warm. So when you want to say the weather is hot and you feel warm, please say mir ist heiß. Ich bin Hunger oder ich habe Hunger. Don't say ich bin Hunger because you're basically saying I'm hunger, like you are the hunger itself. Instead, you have to say ich habe Hunger, which means I am hungry. Ich bin langweilig oder mir ist langweilig. How to say I'm bored in German? Saying ich bin langweilig means I'm boring. Mir ist langweilig, which literally translates to me is boring, is the correct way to express that you are bored in German. Ich bin schwanger means I'm pregnant. So unless you really are, be careful. Some learners mix up phrases when trying to say something else. It happens because language learners often remember phrases by sound or structure. And for example, when I want to say I'm tired, instead of saying ich bin müde, it's possible to say other funny things like ich bin schwanger. Ich will dich essen or ich will essen. Saying ich will dich essen means I want to eat you, and that's probably not what you want to say when you're hungry, unless you're a cannibal or a vampire. What you have to say is ich will essen, which means I want to eat. Gift means poison. This is a classic mix-up. Gift in German actually means poison, not present. So, if you say ich habe ein Gift für dich, you're basically saying I have some poison for you. Definitely not the vibe you want at a birthday party. Are you just fine or really awesome? Ich bin gut oder es geht mir gut. If you say ich bin gut, you're basically telling people that you are a good person or you're super talented. To say you're feeling fun, go with es geht mir gut. A classic nationality mix-up. Saying ich bin von Französisch is a classic mix-up. Von isn't how you say your nationality. Instead, say ich komme aus Frankreich or any other country you come from, or ich bin Franzose oder ich bin Französin, which means I'm French. This way you sound more natural and less like Google Translate. I love you or I like you. Ich liebe dich is super romantic, like I love you. Ich hab dich lieb is more friendly, like I care about you. Don't confuse these unless you want awkward moments. Der See oder die See. Der See means lake. Die See means sea. So when you're saying I'm going to the sea, it matters which one you use. Here is a false friend. Chef means boss, not chef. In German, Chef means boss. The word for cook or English chef for masculine is Koch and for feminine is Küchen. Are we dating now? Saying du bist meine Freundin can mean you are my girlfriend. To say you are a friend of mine, you have to say du bist eine Freundin von mir. Alright, now you know some of the most hilarious and common German mistakes to avoid. If you made any of these mistakes before, drop your stories in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.